and then you will click on the home page setting and static setting, and you scroll down, then you can clearly see that home page. So you will publish this. So this is your home page. Okay, this is your home page. Don't get panic, the post will be come here. So just click on the wrong option over here. Now we will customize our home page. So first we have to customize our home page, because without home page we cannot build outside. So just click on the pages option. Here is a home page, and click on the edit option. So scroll down, set as front side. If this was not set, you have to click on this option. Okay, done. Now this is your home page. You have to enable the type builder and add a section over here. Just add a section. So you can set the title of your section, but I don't recommend you to add the section over here, because the section title will be very much bold and bigger in this section. Create a block over here. You want a sidebar or not? So in this section I do not want any sidebar, so just we'll click on the done option over here. I had successfully added a section, and we'll add a block. So after adding a block over here, you will just scroll down, and there is a number of post style over here. How you will customize your post. Click on the slider 5 and click your block title. So I keep it as a base source. Okay, done. So you can add a favicon also over here. So I randomly select one of the favicon over here. This is the favicon, and you have to select the category. From where do you want to extract the post over here? Just click on the base sort and number of posts. So I just need only 3 posts from this section. We'll done. Click on the done, and we'll update. Now we'll reload our site. How it will look? Have you seen? Clicking on the base sort, you can clearly see that 3 posted over here. And now we'll add next category below. So look, it's very simple and easy. So we'll add menus in our section also, because here is no menu over here. Okay, and for that menu we'll click on the style option, main menu, and we'll click as a menu, because we have created the menu as a over here. So update, and we'll reload this. It has been not shown over here. So for that we have to move to the WordPress dashboard. Click on the appearance and click on the menu. So here manage location, and main menu is here is already done over here. I'll teach you how to add that menu also later on. First we will add some more interesting thing outside. So let's click on the edit page. So for here, so I need some advertisement over here, and I want to add this ad over here. Okay, after that, okay, now for that I'll click on the ad block, and here is a ad space. So click on the ad space and upload the image over here. So this is my ad gift banner. Okay, select this and done, and update. Done. We'll refresh our site. Now look, we have successfully added the ad over here. And if you like to remove these lines over here, you have to click on the same thing. Just click over here, add, and you can see their styling, so the content only, and click on the done, update. Look, the line has been gone. Okay, we'll do another thing also. I want some tickle post over here. So we'll click on the add section, done, and we'll move this section over here, because I want something up in the header. So I click on the add about block, scroll down, use tickle. Okay, so block title, so I have to keep that as a block title. So I click as, and it was from any category. I don't recent posted 5. Okay, done. We'll update this. Check out. Okay, did you see? And you can clearly see that there will have some posted. So this is the name over here. Okay, T3, T4. So this will come over here. Now I need logo over here in my T-Lover section. So we'll move to the home page, logo, custom logo. So we'll upload the logo over here. Upload file. Now I have to search the logo from here in desktop. So here is T-lover. This is my logo. Okay, so this is logo. Open, and I'll select the logo. Now you can look. This is too much bigger, because you should create your logo 500 by 150 by 150, or you can reduce the size over here. So I'm just keeping as a 150, and this also 150. So update. Let's go down. Okay, you can clearly see that I have set my logo over it. Again, in this side I want to add this over here. Okay, how you can see the difference in your site. Okay, you can add. So style, so I want this full width. Update, general, hide the header, hide the footer. So I want this all thing in my option over here. Now I will add more section over here. Just add a section. Now in this thing I'll add a sidebar right. So click done. Add a block over here, and I need some posted over here. Okay, and that post will be like this. Okay, I'm selecting that style. So post one category. So this is the category one. Just click one of the favicon if you like, or if you do not like, that was optional. So just paste on this is the 4 post, and I click on the done. Update. Now look, again you can see that I have 4 posts over here. So I want to remove this name and this name and read more options. So I'll move in the same option there, edit option, select the styling, advanced, and post read more option and post meta. So this is the animation effect. So done and update. I again refresh my site. Now look, this is more cool. Okay, and now we'll add some more thing in this part of our site. So for that we'll move to the site and manage wizard, and here you can, okay, this is the tab. Click on the manage wizard, scroll down, you can add custom picture, custom HTML file, or anything. So I'm creating as a post list over here. So paste a post list, recent post list. Okay, so how my post should look like this. So just click on the save. Done. We'll again refresh our site. Look now, this is the thing. So how many posts do you have created? So this will appear over here. You are done. Okay, now again I have lot of things to do. So you can easily add the category over here. So there is no problem in adding the categories in your theme. Okay, so we'll move down, and I want something in my footer. So there is nothing in my footer. So for that we'll move to the WordPress. So we'll click on the Jana. Here you can click that footer menu. So first footer area, so I want 3 tile, 2 tile, any one. So 3 footer things over here, and after that this is the 3 footer things in my site. So I'll replace my over here. So here you can see nothing over here actually, because there is no any footer set in your site. So we want copyright area also. So we will write the copyright area as a lover property. You can write anything down over here. Save, go up, down, and again click on the save option. Reload this page. Now you can see T-lover property. You can see this. Yes. So center layout. So if you click on the center, that will be on the central. Okay, this is on central. We'll again move to the header option. So main navigation setting, I have already told that we'll add menu in our site. So we'll enable this site over here, box layout, and about the header. So we'll save there. We need search bar option over here, social icon, or dark switch remover. You can add anything from here. Just check out this by step and by step. So now look, you have successfully added here this thing. So you can change the color option over here. This is the dark mode, this is the light mode over here. So create header. So I'm creating the header option. Now look, this is the header bar. Have you got? Okay, you can add some more category over here also. you are done with it. Within a 10 minutes you are able to create a site this much.